Hello there, YouTubers. We're getting ready to put the heated piece on here. We'll go into the kitchen in a minute and show it. We put this together. It goes together pretty simple. I meant to do video of it, but just didn't get there because we're just busy trying to get caught up. Keys in, all that kind of stuff. I'll show you cooking it. It's what, about 800 degrees now?
Yeah, it's right close to 800.
So we're that's it cooking. It's about ready to go on. It's supposed to be about 750 to 800 degrees. Hopefully it's going to drop on there. If everything goes good, that's what we're kind of shooting for. You gonna get a pair of gloves for backup? Where'd he go? He disappeared. We got the, I don't know, getting ready to do it. I just don't want to be in his way when he comes in there with a hot pancake.
Stay over there. I need to see which way the key is. Straight out?
Yep. He told me to get out of the way, which is probably good instructions. That's it. And then we got, when it cools down, it's going to take an hour, probably better than an hour to cool down. That's how Frick did it. We want to sit here and watch metal cool instead of paint dry. We got to take, can you see the little ring down in there? That's about how far we got to machine this off at the top. Guess it's kind of
200,000 face off.
How many thousands?
About 200.
About 200,000. It's down to that ring, right? Down to that next collar or next step.
Yeah, pretty close to it.
Yeah, you guys can see that next step in there.
And it's too big in diameter.
Yeah, it's too big in diameter. So now we're going to sit here for 2 hours like this. Instead of watching paint dry, we're going to watch metal cool. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Anything else to do? We can go lace that belt if you want to lace it. That's going to take 2 hours to cool, isn't it? So, anyhow, that's it for this one. This is a short. Really wasn't much to it, but what you do, you either wanted to watch that heat up or watch it drop on or watch it cool down. There's just, even if you're going fast speed through this, it'd still be boring as heck. So anyhow, that's what that was. Over and out on this one. We'll see you later. How do you turn this thing?